Let's see a 10 marker question response, different levels of responses. So the topic is contributions of Sir Syed Ahmed Khan, and the question is educational contributions of Sir Syed Ahmed Khan were his main works for the Muslim community. Do you agree? Explain. So it's a 10 marker question, so it is going to have some another aspect, alternative aspect of the work of Sir Syed Ahmed Khan as well. But right now in this video I'm only going to be talking about the one side explanation, which is the educational contribution. Now let's see the different levels of responses. In the first response, level number one, response number one, the child is saying he established MAO college to encourage Muslims to seek education. So only identification is taking place here. In the second response, the child is stating he established MAO school in Aligarh in 1875, which became a college in 1877 and university in 1920 after his death, which encouraged Western and Islamic education, resulting in improving the literacy rate amongst the students. So here you can see that impact has not been developed. We can see a little of a short-term impact, which says the literacy rate amongst the Muslims, it got improved. So far the long-term impact has not been discussed. So let's see response number 3. He established MAO school at Aligarh in 1875, which became a college in 1877 and university in 1920 after his death, which encouraged Western and Islamic education, resulting in improving the literacy rate amongst the Muslims and producing future leaders like Liaquat Ali Khan and Ayub Khan, playing a vital role in increasing awareness amongst the Muslim community. This intellectual awakening eventually contributed to the success of Pakistan movement. So here you can see that a longer term impact has been seen because of the work of Sir Syed Ahmed Khan based on his MAO college, right? So this is how. Now if we are just going to judge it based on the level marking, so in the first response the child has only identified the work, one work of Sir Syed Ahmed Khan, so child can reach level 2 marks. Okay, based on to the second response, it plainly falls in level 3 because it's one side explanation and only it's a simple explanation. No impact can be seen. It's a simple explanation. So the child is only going to get 4 out of 6. While moving on to the next point, which is a well-developed but only one explanation is there, one side explanation is there. So we are giving it a credit of well-developed explanation, but we are